Egusi soup is one of everyone's Nigerian's favorite soup, and in this video I'll be showing you the perfect way to make it. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make easy and amazing recipe. Let's get right into it. So in the pot we're just going to add our protein. I'm using cow meat, cow skin, that's Pomo, and stockfish with our stock, that's the water. Mind you, my protein is already cooked, that it's already parboiled. Then I'm just at this stage I'm just trying to make sure it's properly seated inside the pot, and then I'm just going to cover it until it starts to boil. Now that it's boiling, I'm just going to add my grated pepper, onion, and a little bit of ginger and garlic. Next step is to add our red oil to this. You need to watch the video to the end, and mind you, you need to trust this process because it is easy and fast. Then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to boil. While our stock is boiling, I'm just going to open it and add our seasoning cube to this. Then I'm just going to stir this until it is well and properly combined together. So while our stock is boiling, I'm just going to mix our melon, that is our egusi, with a little bit of water, and this I'm just going to scoop this inside the pot as you can see. Then at this stage I'm just going to stir it a little bit, that's just the sides, and then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to boil for just 5 to 7 minutes on a low heat. After some time, this is what we have. So I'm just going to stir this again, but the way I'm going to stir it is just the side. Our melon is not cooked, but it's getting there. So I'm just going to stir it a bit, and then I'm just going to cover it again and allow it to boil for another 5 to 7 minutes on a low heat. You need to put your heat on a low so it doesn't get burnt. So this took about 15 minutes all together, and this is what we have now. So I'm just going to stir this properly for you all to see. Next step is to add our other protein, which is our fish and also our leaf. So this is a combination of Ugwu and UZIZA leaf. So we're just going to stir this until it is well and properly combined. At this stage, I'm just going to add a little bit of water to loosen my soup because I feel it's too thick. But you can do whatever you want based on your preference. Then I'm just going to cover this and allow this to boil for just 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is what we have. We're just going to stir a bit, and as you can see, our soup is ready. Our egusi soup is ready. This is easy, this is fast, this is affordable, and all I have to do is just to serve. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.